Welcome to newconstructs.com. Our homepage is designed to provide easy access to our products and services. Click any tab at the top of the page to access the product of your choice. Within each tab are subpages located on a blue ribbon. You can also access our blog from anywhere throughout the website by clicking the Blog tab. Every page on our website has a Tutorials button that directs you to a video tutorial for the specific page you're on. These are focused tutorials to give you targeted support when you need it quickly. Use the Report Quick Search tool in the upper right corner to type a ticker and get an answer for over 3,000 stocks, 400 ETFs, and 7,000 mutual funds. The Ratings page has our investment recommendation for over 3,000 stocks, 400 ETFs, and 7,000 mutual funds. To view a rating, type a stock, ETF, or mutual fund ticker and click View Ratings. We break our overall risk-reward rating into 5 components. We have 2 quality of earnings components and 3 valuation components. Scroll down the page to see our investment recommendation summary and the company's rating history. Keep scrolling to see the adjustments we make to calculate economic earnings. Accounting data was not designed for equity investors but for debt investors. Economic earnings represent the true cash flows available to equity holders, unlike accounting earnings. A great deal of research and work is required to derive economic earnings, along with a great deal of expertise in finance, accounting, and footnotes. First, we show all the adjustments we make to the income statement by providing the details on how we convert reported net income into NOPAT, or net operating profit after tax. Next, we show all the adjustments we make to the balance sheet by providing the details on how we convert reported assets into invested capital. At the bottom of the page, we show the adjustments for our DCF model, economic book value, and enterprise value calculations. Note the transparency we offer for all our adjustments. We want you to know how much work we do, unlike other firms that don't offer the same amount of transparency. Our ratings distill thousands of pages and hours of analysis and research in order to give you one indication: buy, sell, or hold. We've performed unrivaled due diligence on over 70,000 annual reports using proprietary technology over the past decade. This diligence enables us to uncover red flags and negative financial data hidden deep in the financial footnotes to provide unrivaled earnings quality and valuation research. We allow you to see the true risk-reward of an equity security, unlike traditional research that doesn't take into account the important information disclosed in the footnotes and MD&A. Subscribers also have full access to our reports that are available by clicking the Download Report button. Our company reports start by giving you our investment recommendation and investment rating details. Scroll down to see an explanation about each of our 5 ratings components with easy-to-understand graphs and charts for the company. Continue scrolling to see a summary for the adjustments we made to the company's reported financial statements. Past performance is not a good indicator of a fund's future performance. That's why we use a forward-looking or predictive method for our ETF and mutual fund ratings. Our fund ratings are an aggregation of the stock ratings on the fund's holdings. We actually build a model for the fund from all the company models for the underlying holdings in the fund. That means the same diligent research that goes into each one of our company's ratings is reflected in our ETF and mutual fund ratings. To see the research that goes into the fund ratings, download a report. Our reports are easy to read and give you the information you need in order to make a prudent investment decision. Start at the top with our investment recommendation and portfolio management breakdown. Scroll down to see the ratings for the underlying holdings of the fund and how they're allocated. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the fund's past performance, top 5 holdings, and other key statistics. Moving on to page 2 is a breakdown of the fund's total annual costs. Our total annual cost rating incorporates all the expenses involved in holding a fund and not just the expense ratio. Total annual costs and portfolio management drive future fund performance. A New Constructs ETF or mutual fund rating reflects both of these drivers and delivers one simple and easy to understand rating. Protect your portfolio from blowups by tracking them with our My Portfolios tool. Our system allows you to create up to 10 different portfolios so you can track and screen your holdings. Get daily alerts emailed to you letting you know when a rating for a security in your portfolio changes. We'll also email you a weekly diagnostic for all your portfolios with our assessment of your holdings. Our system enables you to add an additional email address that receives a copy of the alerts. This is a great feature for a subscriber that has a partner, assistant, or client they would like to keep informed. Portfolio maintenance is really convenient. Securities can be added or removed quickly and easily with our Quick Add and Quick Remove feature. You can also sort portfolios by any metric simply by clicking the column header. If you wish to do additional analysis on your own, our Download to CSV button provides you with a CSV file of the data on this page. Our My Portfolios tool was created with one goal in mind: to protect your portfolio from blowups. This is one of the most popular services among our clients, so be sure to take advantage of it. Subscribers have full access to our newsletters under the Reports tab. We offer a wide variety of reports listed on the blue ribbon. Among our most popular reports are the monthly Most Attractive and Most Dangerous Stocks and the quarterly Best and Worst ETFs and Mutual Funds. Most Attractive and Most Dangerous Stocks reports are available for subscribers to download by clicking either Most Attractive or Most Dangerous. Subscribers have access to the reports for 1 week before we make them available for sale to the public. Click the blue download button to access the report. Our Most Attractive Stocks report contains 40 great investment opportunities, our picks for the 20 best large cap and 20 best small cap stocks each month. We carefully select our most attractive stocks from more than 3,000 stocks. They represent thousands of hours and pages of analysis packed in a simple and easy to read report. Every most attractive stock on our list has high and rising returns on invested capital and low market expectations for future growth. If you're looking for other investment ideas, CEO David Traynor posts buy and sell ideas every week on our blog. Perhaps you're interested in short calls or want to make sure one of your current holdings isn't at risk of blowing up. Our Most Dangerous Stocks report contains the 40 stocks most likely to damage your performance, 20 large cap and 20 small cap. Stocks on the most dangerous list are companies we recommend selling or even shorting. They have misleading earnings, which means the company is reporting positive or rising GAAP earnings, but economic earnings are actually negative or falling. Most dangerous stocks are also very expensive because they have extraordinarily high cash flow growth baked into their market prices. If you're looking for other short ideas, CEO David Traynor has a weekly short call he puts in the Danger Zone. Check out his Danger Zone report on the blog or listen to his podcast with Chuck Jaff from Money Life by clicking one of the links below. Our most attractive and most dangerous stock picks are regularly highlighted amongst the best of Wall Street firms. We stand behind our performance by posting our results every quarter. To see the performance of our most attractive and most dangerous stocks, click Reports, then click Proof is in Performance. Download our most recent quarterly report and see for yourself how our picks have consistently outperformed their benchmark since inception in 2005. Our cumulative return since January of 2005 for the most attractive and most dangerous large and small cap stocks long-short strategy is 64.1%. Great value from our newsletters is not limited to subscribers only interested in stocks. We also publish quarterly best and worst ETF and mutual fund reports. We take our best and worst ETF and mutual fund reports to the next level by breaking them down by sector and style. We also provide reports on how to find and avoid the best ETFs and mutual funds, and a report that identifies funds with low costs and quality holdings. Scroll down the list to find a report and click the blue download button. See where the fund ranks relative to other sectors or styles. Scroll down to see the top 5 best and worst ETFs and top 5 best and worst mutual funds by sector or style. Our comprehensive ETF and mutual fund reports represent the diligent and independent analysis we put into all of our research. You can also sort through all of the newsletters and reports by clicking Latest on the blue ribbon. We encourage all of our subscribers to take advantage of our valuable reports. New Constructs offers powerful stock and fund screeners designed to assist you with idea generation and protect you from blowups. Click the Stock Screener tab to access the screeners. We have 2 types of stock screeners, Premium and Custom. The Premium screener lists stocks under coverage sorted by overall rating. Use the Premium screener to get ratings for multiple stocks at once instead of using the Ratings tab. You can sort the list by clicking any column header. You can also screen the list by sector, index, or ticker by clicking the appropriate tab. Perhaps you're looking to diversify your portfolio with a very attractive stock from the industrial sector with high returns on invested capital. Select Industrials and click Search. Sort the list by ROIC by clicking the ROIC column header. Then choose the stock that best fits your criteria. Take your analysis a step further by doing additional research and downloading our report. Maybe you don't have a sector in mind but are looking for a very attractive large cap stock with the shortest gap. Click the Index tab and select S&P 500. Then click Search. Sort the list by gap by clicking the Gap column header. Maybe a client has sent you a list of companies he or she would like your feedback on, or maybe you have a list of your own. Click the Ticker tab and paste or type the stocks in the box below. Then click Search. You can now make an investment recommendation to your client based on the screen or easily download reports for more analysis. For our institutional clients wanting even more metrics to screen, we offer the Custom Stock Screener. Access the Custom Stock Screener by clicking Custom on the blue ribbon. For more details on this product, see the tutorials. We also offer a Premium Fund Screener similar to the Premium Stock Screener. The Premium Fund Screener lists the more than 400 ETFs and 7,000 mutual funds we cover. It's also a great tool to find multiple fund ratings. You can sort the funds by type, category, provider, or ticker by clicking the checkboxes or appropriate tabs. Perhaps you're looking for a healthcare ETF with a very attractive rating and low total annual costs. Uncheck the mutual fund type, then choose the healthcare category and click Search. Sort the list by total annual costs by clicking the column header. Then find a very attractive fund. We recommend downloading our report that is conveniently located to the right of the rating. Take advantage of our powerful screeners to protect yourself from blowups or generate your next great idea. Our models drive all of our ratings. We think these are the best earnings quality and valuation models in the world. Hence, our models are 100% transparent. We show every calculation that goes into every rating and result. We want you to know how much work we do for you. Institutional subscribers have access to all of our company models. The models are the foundation of our ratings and all of our due diligence. Generate a company model by clicking the Ratings tab, typing a ticker, and clicking the Company Model button. Models can also be generated through Report Quick Search. Type a ticker and click Go. Then click Company Model. Upon generating a company model, you'll be directed to the Decision page under the Results tab. The Decision page shows the market-implied performance hurdles the company must meet to justify their stock price. The default performance hurdles are based on a forecast using consensus revenue growth estimates. The user can update the performance hurdles based on his or her own forecast assumptions under 3 different scenarios on the Forecast page. The Forecast page shows the default assumptions every company model is pre-populated with based on consensus revenue growth estimates. It also allows users to create their own forecast under 3 different scenarios. It's a powerful tool to compare your own forecast with the default forecast. The DCF Review page presents a detailed account of our discounted cash flow model. You can also review the DCF model for any forecast you create within the Forecast page. The WACC Review page presents a detailed account of our weighted average cost of capital calculation. The Overrides page is often overlooked but a very useful tool. We enable you to adjust or override our adjustments. Our goal is to provide you with all the relevant information required to do proper diligence. However, if you use it is up to you. Perhaps you have determined the fair value of an unconsolidated subsidiary is greater than reported on the balance sheet. Use the override feature to add the difference between the fair value and carrying value to shareholder value. If you have determined the difference is substantial, it can have a large impact on the model. Throughout the rest of the model demonstration, any line item with a green dot can be overridden. Simply click the green dot to be directed to the Overrides page. Another way we prove our 100% transparency is within the Filings tab. The Filings tab shows you the SEC filings and source data we use for every year we have built a model. We give subscribers the ability to click through and see all the data used in our models highlighted in the original filings. The Financials and Metrics tab contains the company's financials disclosed in their SEC filing along with different metrics. The metrics page is a summary that shows all the metrics we use to rate companies. The balance sheet and income statement pages show the reported financial statements as presented by the companies. The adjustments page shows step-by-step how we convert reported earnings into economic earnings. Again, it's another example of our total transparency. The NOPAT and invested capital pages show our calculations in detail. The ESO, PV leases, and other disclosure pages show information about ESOs, operating leases, and other information we collect from filings. Company models also offer a dynamic charting tool. Choose from 12 different types of charts and time periods to generate a chart.